How to add a vehicle license on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically add a vehicle license on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to register your vehicle with a particular license, and if you are a rider who is trying to activate your account, so for this you can actually use your browser and you have to just go to drivers.uber.com. I repeat, I'll make sure to drop a link below. Just go to drivers.uber.com as you would be able to find here, and make sure to log in to your Uber account as you would. And once you log into your Uber account, over here you'll see all these details, where one of the options you'll find an option that says driving license. So just tap the driving license option and it will ask you to take a photo of your driving license. So tap the take photo option, allow the website to use your camera here, choose the action here, and then from there just go ahead and make sure to place your license over here and then make sure to take a photo of your license. Once you take a photo of your license, just tap the OK option and it will upload a document. You can fill in other details, and then after that you should be able to go ahead and then upload your license as well. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then actually add a driver's license on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.